Hi guys, welcome back to Bunny Brick Designs. So I'm excited. So today in the mail, I literally got both my curated bead box and my bargain bead box. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing, and I haven't even opened it yet, the curated bead box for this month, which is called Sea and Sand. So I'm going to go ahead and just use something to cut into this here, and we're going to get started. So yeah, I'm excited to see what's all in here. So I'm going to set the box off to the side, and we are going to go through it. So number one, we have 10mm lime green marble style glass beads. So these are pretty. I like these. I'm going to open these up and put them in my tray because we're gonna probably get started with doing something with this. So I may do an unboxing and a design for you today. Next we have 10mm light turquoise crackled glass beads. So that's these. These definitely remind me of water, so I like that with the theme, and I'm gonna cut these. I need to find a pair of scissors, my craft scissors, because I don't want to use my good ones, and we're just going to cut into those. I mean, I could have undone the knot, but we're good there. I like these colors together. I like this a lot. Those are pretty. Next we have 8mm grass green crackle beads. And you get a 16-inch strand of these. So these are very pretty. I'm really liking this so far. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm really liking these colors together. I think we're going to do, we're definitely going to do some shibori, I think, with this, because this is going to be pretty. Next, we have 8mm rust gray duo style glass beads. So these are supposed to be, I guess, the sand portion of the Sea and Sand. We're just going to cut that. I don't want to fight with it. I could take the knots out, but I like that. Oh, I like these colors together. I'm really liking this month. Next, we have 6mm crystal glass crackle beads. And it's a 16-inch strand. So we have those. Those are... I always feel like the crystal ones are kind of meh, just because they're not pretty bright colors. But I do like these. This could be the sea foam. I could see this being sea foam. I'm definitely trying to figure out what I want to do for shibori or jewelry with this. Next, we have approximately 1 ounce Ocean Designer glass mix. So these are some interesting beads. Oops. So there's some little mini disc bicone style things. So let me set these in here. Not all of them, but we've got some really interesting beads there. We've got some of these peanut beads. I'm not real, sure what I want to do with those. I do like these, like disc bicone style beads. I think those will go really nice. I like these beads. I don't know what they are, but they're like little drop beads, but those are really interesting. And same thing with these. They look like asymmetrical. I can see doing a lot of stuff with those. I like that. Again, not a big fan of the peanut beads, but there's not a ton of them, so we're good there. 1 ounce green with silver lined glass beads. So some more of those beads. These aren't my favorite beads to work with. I'm going to leave those in the bag and set those aside. Next, we have 16 millimeter aqua brown dyed coconut ring mix. These are interesting. I can see doing a necklace. I really, when I saw these, when I opened up the pack just a minute ago, I saw these and I was like, oh, that would make a really cool necklace. So like if you were to put them side by side with maybe some jump rings or something, do something like that. And, so I could see those. Those are going to be fun to work with. We're going to put those up in there. And then we have 12 millimeter spacer beads, and there's 6 of them. And so these are very fun. They got a little spiral on them with, looks like a little sun. Then we have 1 ounce puka shell beads. And so these are very, fun. I've used these before. They have holes drilled in them. So that you can do, so we're going to do something fun with those. I'm going to set those up here because we are going to use those. Then we have crab, starfish, turtle, silver metal charms. We have 6 of those. So there's 2 crabs, 2 turtles, and 2 starfish. So those are fun. I'm going to set those in with my silver. And then we have a 58 by 20 or 58 by 42 turtle silver metal pendant. And this is adorable. So there's a hole right there for something. So I could see putting a bead or something there. Probably something green or maybe one of these little spacer thingies, on it just to do something with it. I really like this turtle. That is fun. I'm wondering now if I want to do some resin or something on him, and maybe, I don't know. I like him just the way he is. So that is this month's Sand and Sea bead box. And of course we get our standard findings with the Curated bead box. Jump rings, ear wires, lobster claws, crimp beads, some bent, but those can be straightened out, bent head pins, your bead-along, memory wire, which I never use any of this, and then memory wire. So this is not memory wire, I'm sorry, your elastic. I never use the elastic. So that's this month's Sea and Sand, and I'm liking this. I've got way too many ideas already. Definitely thinking we're going to do something with the turtle. I want to do something with the turtle with the green. Definitely with the greens and the blues. And maybe some brown in there too. I mean, I like all these colors together. We're definitely going to use make a necklace or something with all of these colors in it, just because I like that just like that right there. So yeah, so we're gonna be playing, and I'm already getting an idea here. Don't know if I'm gonna go with this, but I'm already liking that. With maybe it would be nice if that had more holes in it so we could do 2, or maybe I just wire wrap that. I don't know. We'll see. But I could see doing, the puka shells, or we may just do a puka shell drop necklace where you have shell and shell, maybe some earrings with that. So just a bunch of drops in different locations, going, hanging off, you know, for an earring. We'll play. We'll play. I think I am not going to, in this video, I don't think I'm going to try to do a design. I mean, we've already got one kind of started here. I think I'm going to play with this, come up with a design, and then we can talk about that in the next one, because I'm really excited to open up the other bead box. So anyways, Sea and Sand from Curated Bead Box. I'm really liking it. We're going to have some fun coming up in the next one. I don't know if I want to do shibori with this. I may just do a multi-stranded necklace. I really like these. I can't wait to start playing with this. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.